James Garner, is James Garner here?
I'm here.
I'm James Garner. Yes, that James Garner, rocking a hat in court and keeping it sharp with style. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're stepping into Judge Perkins' courtroom, where a so-called sovereign citizen picks the wrong time to challenge authority. Let's just say, it doesn't end well. Spoiler, 30 days behind bars. Let's get into it.
Good morning.
What is your middle name? Can you remove your hat, please? And your scarf. What is your middle name, Mr. Garner?
Errol.
Earl?
No.
He's on the 1:30 docket, Your Honor, I believe.
James Garner. Earl Garner. James E-R-R-O-L Garner, right?
Yes.
You are on the 1:30 docket.
If you want, Your Honor, I can give House Counsel an offer right now. She can report it to him.
On James Garner, do you see all the cases he has?
I see just the 4 that are on the docket. Or 5.
Yes.
He's got more?
He's got plenty more.
Okay. You want me to come down, review, and do a global offer?
If you could, please.
Okay, I'm on my way down.
Mr. Garner, do you want to offer on these or do you want to go to trial?
I would like to know what the charges are.
So, you won't want to blink. Judge Perkins is about to walk you through every honor you're about to collect in Sovereign. Citizen 101.next
Versus James Earl Garner. Case number SP 11000435, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11695. Those are driving license expired, misdemeanor, no insurance, insurance misdemeanor. Thank you. And an improper plate misdemeanor. All of them punishable by maximum possible penalty of 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines. SP 1169507, counts 1 and counts 2, expired license and no insurance misdemeanor, both punishable by 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines. SP 1169521, same improper plates, same punishment, $500 and 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines, maximum possible penalty. SP 1223079, driver one license suspended. SP 127-37681, SP 129-27512. 3 of those tickets are all punishable by 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines. SP 1547006, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3. Those are civil infractions. SP 1547407, counts 1 and counts 2. Count 1 being a driver more license suspended repeat offender. This one is in warrant status, probably an old case that he didn't pay. SP 800104, counts 1 and counts 2. 1 being an unregistered untitled. He owes $1,194 on that. And SP, and count 2 of that is a drug while license improper. It looks like he has a $114 fine on that. State of Michigan versus James Earl Garner, case number SX36268561. That is a drug while license expired. And that will be $500 maximum possible penalty, 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines.
the math to 17 charges, all rooted in his belief that he's above the law. The twist: None of those charges are what land him in jail today. Next voice SO. He's decided to represent himself in not one, but several criminal cases. And the public defender's reaction. Calm, almost amused, like she's seen one. Too many of these DIY legal disasters.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No,
Let's start there.
Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean,
I see no need to stress. Judge Perkins is about to lock in the court's authority loud and clear. And it's going to cost you your freedom.
I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, City of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
We want to do it.
Withdrawing my name from the record on that one. Thank you.
I know. How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner? You set the matter. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Either set the matter for trial or I'll wait for the city to give you an offer. What do you want to do?
Well, the court haven't even established jurisdiction. I mean, in order for jurisdiction, the jurisdiction has to be established first, and there's no jurisdiction established. And once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
Said Catch. In his view, the public defender is just another arm of the system. Accepting her help would mean acknowledging the court's authority, something he refuses to do. So today, he's choosing to go down swinging. So,
all right, do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness, and the state cannot be.
Well, I'm not gonna listen. If that's your motion, I'm gonna deny the motion. Okay. So all we're gonna do now, we're not gonna keep going back and forth. Either you take an offer or you set the matter for trial. Which one do you want?
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, there must be a complaining witness, and the state cannot be a complaining witness. Now, if I'm entitled to a fair trial, the law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim? Who did I injure?
The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim. And if that's the case,
I said the citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
If that's the case,
Mr. Garner, can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward? Would you be agreeable to that?
Sure.
Okay, awesome.
all right, folks, that wraps it up. This whole situation echoes the Jamal Lockhart case, where life hit pause until he served his 30 days for contempt. We'd even seen him request special hearings, asking Judge Perkins to lift the sentence so he could move on. And let's just say, the judge stood firm.
Telling me,
Mr. Garner, we're not going to have a conversation. Stop, sir. Stop, sir. Now, that's the last time I'm going to ask you to speak
on the law. Is that what I'm hearing?
All right.
I'm asking.
I'm going to hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
So that means that the court is just going to violate my rights because I'm defending myself? Is that what I'm hearing?
30 days, Wayne County Jail, no early release. That'll give you some chance and some time to read up on your rights, okay? Fill out the contempt papers, Madam. So I'm gonna order you to turn yourself in today, Mr. Garner, to start that jail time, okay?
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
If that's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.
I don't see this situation playing out any differently for Mr. Garner, so if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike, but don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content.
Well, you gotta make your special appearance to the Wayne County Jail. I told you that the last time.